So he's prepping the adapter right now, just getting the paint off of it. So all under here, you're just gonna build it up with welds?
What's that?
You're just gonna build all that up with welds?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, that's gonna be strong.
So it'll be weld to weld in there.
Oh yeah, that'll be strong, man. That's mean.
Normally this would be awesome. I can do it in a shop, and that would be, you know, 6-7 passes. Build this up. I'll flip it over tomorrow, and then I'll start building it back up. The other side, I'll get them even, and then almost start doing the covers.
That's nice.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's gonna be awesome, man. Yeah, I'm stoked that these little welders can do that.
Jams all day, that thing will go.
Yeah, I didn't think it could do this type of welding. I mean, I thought it could do rough welding, but not like super structural stuff. But that's nice, man.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess you just got to know how to do. Okay, so this is day 2 of welding up the ripper. So let me give you an update. You can see, so Dave's just got to build up the welds and fill in these gaps here, and it's good to go. So that's, we're just fitting on the tooth there, so that's how it's gonna look. That's the bigger tooth, bigger adapter. That's gonna be a mean ripper when it's done. I'm excited. I mean, this is gonna be awesome. So everything fit really good. We don't have to build up the sides at all. What Dave's gonna do, he's just gonna build up the welds a little bit and blend it into the body of the adapter with the body of the ripper. So that's awesome. He's doing a really good job. He's a professional certified welder by trade. He's been doing excavators and heavy equipment for a long time. Actually, he grew up building buckets, so he's really good at doing this kind of stuff. He's built a ripper from scratch before, so he's the perfect guy for this. So I'm excited. All right, he's gonna be here soon and we'll finish this up. this thing. It's so fun, man. It's just amazing.
Yeah, looks good. You probably got some good video. I got a couple of peelers when you weld perfect. The slag peels up by itself. It's like perfect speed, perfect heat, and the slag just peels. They call it store beams and store beamed out. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe I could get a little bit closer here.
Windshield wipers.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, that's mean.
It's my first time. I got lucky, man. I got lucky.
Yeah, you're a machine, man.
As the old guys say, turn them up and do.
All right, so the ripper's done. I'm gonna give it a paint job and I'm gonna clean it up first, but let me show you kind of up close on the welds here. So it looks really good. Let's see the top here. So I'll just take my grinder with a wire wheel and clean this up, and then I'm gonna coat it with some high heat Rust-Oleum. Let's see on the bottom here. So he did a really good job. I mean, my friend Dave is a pro. I mean, he's good. He's got a lot of experience with building buckets and rippers and stuff like that. So he did this really well. So he also put some spot welds, one on the top, and then on the bottom here, you can see just so the tooth fits tight. And let's try get the tooth on there. Oh yeah, so there's no wobble up and down at all. I mean, that's tight, doesn't move, so that's good. So he said, yeah, so it's a little tight, you can see, so I'm just gonna have to tap it in a little bit and it's gonna fit super snug, and then I'll be able to get the pin in. So that's nice. And he said if it is too tight, then I can just kind of pound these with a hammer a little bit just to flatten them out and then get them in. But I'm gonna keep it really tight. I don't want it to move. So dang, that looks good. All right, let's get this thing cleaned up and painted.